Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. We are back with lesson number 3, Plants, Parts and Function of class 3. I hope you have seen the first part of this chapter. In the first part, we have discussed that a plant mainly consists of two parts, the root system and the shoot system. And we discussed about the root system in detail in the previous video. We discussed that the root system, it grows under the ground and it consists of roots. And we also discussed about the types of roots, that is tap roots and fibrous roots. And we also discussed the functions of roots. I hope this much part of the lesson is clear to all of you. So today we move on to the shoot system. As told in the previous class, the shoot system grows above the ground and it grows in upwards direction. And the parts which are there in the shoot system are stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and seeds. So in this class, we will be dealing with the stem. We will do a detailed study about the stem. So now just have a look at this diagram which I have drawn on the board. You can see this is the stem. And the stem, it supports the whole plant. It makes the plant stand straight. And it also holds the branches, flowers, fruits, and leaves. Now, according to the stem that is present in the plants, plants are mainly of 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So this classification is on the basis of the type of stem these plants have. So we are going to study about each type one by one. Some plants have very thick, woody, and strong stems called the trunk. These plants are called trees. Trees are big and tall plants. Some examples of trees are mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree, and gulmohar tree. All these trees are huge trees and they have thick stem called the trunk. Some plants have bushy, hard, and woody stems with many branches. These plants are called shrubs. Shrubs are of medium size and are shorter than trees. Some examples of shrubs are rose, hibiscus, pomegranate, and bougainvillea. Some plants have weak, soft, green, and delicate stem. These are short plants and can be easily uprooted. These are called herbs. Some examples of herbs are mint, brinjal, coriander, and tomato. Some plants have a very thin, long, and weak stem which cannot stand straight. But they can use support like sticks and poles to grow upwards. These are called climbers. Few examples of climbers are grapevine, pea plant, and money plant. Some plants grow along the ground. They also have long, thin, and weak stems, and they cannot stand erect. These plants are called creepers. Some examples of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon. Now let us study about the functions of the stem. The stem supports all the other parts of the plant. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Second point, the stem helps the plant stand upright. Next point, the stem carries water and mineral salts absorbed by the roots to all the other parts of the plant. Next point, the stem also carries the food prepared by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Next point, in some plants, extra food is stored in the stem. For example, potato and sugarcane. Although potato grows under the ground, but it is a stem. So when you eat potato and sugarcane, you are actually eating the stem. Next point, in some plants, like cactus, the stem makes the food for the plant. A cactus plant does not have leaves. Its stem makes the food for the plant. Let us revise the functions of the stems. Let us do a quick recap. The stem bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The stem helps the plant stand upright. The stem carries water and mineral salts from the roots to all the parts of the plant. The stem also carries the food from the leaves to all the parts of the plant. Some plants store extra food in the stem, like potato and sugarcane. In some plants, like cactus, the stem makes the food for the plant. So dear students, in today's class, you studied about the stem, the classification of plants according to the type of stem they have, that is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. We also studied about the functions of stem. I hope this much part is clear to all of you. Please read the book till this part, and the rest of the part of the lesson we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.